We are going to look at circle theorem number 3, which states the angle subtended by the diameter is a right angle, or 90 degrees. In this case, our diameter is the diameter AB, which is a straight line running from one point to another point on the circumference through the center of the circle. And the center of the circle here is O. And from our early geometry, we know that the angle measure of a straight line is 180 degrees. And based on a previous theorem, it states that the angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circumference. So if AOB is 180 degrees, it means that logically ACB would be 90 degrees. And that in itself proves this theorem to be true, that the angle subtended at the diameter is twice the angle at the circumference, and that the angle in the diameter is 90 degrees. So if you notice, we've changed the triangle, the size of the angle remains the same. So we say the angle subtended by the diameter is a right angle.